Hi, Dan Ryan. I'm actually a first year at our School of Natural Resources and Environment. So this question's for Corinne. So we actually have a very similar program here at University of Michigan, where it's an MBA and a Master's Science program. So the question is, with what you're doing now in finance, are you still using a lot of the skills that Master Science skills that you learned at Duke?
All the time, all the time. Yeah, I mean, look, I'm looking at different assets all the time. So, say I'm looking at, a wind farm, which a developer says is, shovel ready, and you're using kind of all those skills that you kind of learned about how a wind farm operates, what to think when you're siting it, what does your environmental impact statement say about the various flora and fauna in the region. I think that's one example. Another example is, right now there's a lot of thermal generation on the market, be it coal, be it gas. And with 111D now being in the mix, thinking about that from a valuation perspective, thinking about that from a debt sizing, kind of capital structure perspective, all of that requires a certain knowledge of how regulations work, how they're drafted, what's required. And I learned a lot of that. In my MS program, we took a lot of classes at the law school, at the environmental school. And so I find myself using those skills all the time.
Great, thank you.